Welcome to this brief look at Confluence, the world's most popular commercial enterprise wiki. Wikis are websites where pages can be updated using an online document editor. The basic idea is that anyone who can view a page can just as easily edit it and save their changes. Enterprise wikis add certain functionality that makes them highly effective platforms and organizations that mimic existing social structures present in departments, teams, and projects, and allow them to share business knowledge and collaborate on tasks or documents. Confluence's customizable interface is extremely easy to use, provides flexible, fine-grained security, and powerful search capabilities that include the ability to search deep within attachments. The rich text editor makes it easy for both technical and business users to create content. Users can also blog, add comments to pages, and be automatically notified of updates by email or RSS feeds. Confluence's unique feature set and widespread accessibility allow it to be used in an impressive number of ways. From being a complete intranet or extranet solution to simply sharing files and emails, Confluence has rapidly become a business-critical collaboration and knowledge management platform for many organizations. Previous generations of tools have been difficult to use, and they often require the involvement of a technical team to train business users and assist them with the publishing process. Confluence removes these bottlenecks and enables any authorized user to directly contribute their knowledge for others to review and build on. It's this amazing accessibility that has led to usage spreading rapidly once deployed. In fact, some of our larger instances have over 100,000 users. Let's take a look at Confluence. I can create a new wiki space in a matter of seconds, or access an existing one from this list. Here's a page inside an existing space. The links along the top of the screen let you navigate the site, and the links on the right of the screen allow you to add new content. Now let's capture some information on wikis themselves. I'm typing into the rich text editor, and anyone who has used Microsoft Word should be immediately familiar with these options, which allow you to design and add new content to your document. Now let's add a table comparing wikis to email. I just click on the table button, specify the number of columns and rows, and that's it. On the left, I'll list wiki and email, and along the top, I'll list a number of features to compare. Now, the primary difference between collaborating via email and wikis is in the mechanics of collaboration. If you and I are collaborating using email, a lot has to happen between when I edit the document and when you're able to contribute your input to it. I have to save the document, create an email, attach the document to it, and send it to you. You have to receive the email, download the attachment, there's always a worry about viruses with email attachments, and then open the attachment. Let's hope you have the software to do so. And then you can actually edit the document. Now, this might not seem like much by itself, but multiply it by every time you need to collaborate on a document with somebody. Wiki makes it much simpler because you immediately see the document with my changes, and you just have to click Edit to make your changes. Now let's say it's 2:55 in the afternoon. You've got a meeting at 3 o'clock, and you look at your email and you see that message from me with that document. Now you've got 5 minutes to go, so you're probably not going to open that email and go through all those mechanics to make some changes. But if it's on the wiki, those 5 minutes become much more useful time because you can simply click Edit, make some changes, save it, and go off to your meeting. And then in the meantime, while you're in that meeting, I can go into the document and I can continue the collaborative process by building on your edits. So by using a wiki, that short little bit of time becomes much more useful and we can collaborate faster and more efficiently. Now, whenever I am editing a page, as I type, Confluence automatically saves drafts to the server, so if something ever happens to my network connection or computer, I can come straight back and resume editing where I left off. Now let's insert an image into the page. We can also insert a link. Now I can link to another page in Confluence just by entering its title, or an external website by entering its URL. Now that the page has content, let's use Confluence's security functionality to restrict this document to just the sales team. Confluence allows you to restrict both view and edit privileges for either an entire group or an individual user. Once I save the page, anyone on the sales team will be able to instantly see the new version. Now let's say Jane, another person from the sales team, logs in and goes to the sales team page, and she wants to add a comment to it. All she has to do is click Add Comment, type a message, and click Post. When she posts that comment, I'll be notified by email or RSS feed. Back to the page itself. Any user can navigate to the info of a page and easily export the page into Microsoft Word or PDF file if needed. Both network drives and wikis allow you to save new files and content to a central location. However, only a wiki eliminates the risk of working on an outdated version because every user sees the most up-to-date version. Confluence also allows me to view the full history of a document and revert to an earlier version if necessary. So that's a quick demonstration of some of the functionality in Confluence. With over 400 plugins and themes, support for multiple languages, and full access to source code, you can customize Confluence to suit your requirements. All licenses include 12 months, unlimited support and software upgrades, with perpetual use of the software. Furthermore, our pricing is simple, competitive, and available on our website. Confluence has been adopted across a wide range of industries. With more than 5,000 customers in over 100 countries, it is the world's most popular commercial enterprise wiki available today. If you'd like to know more, why not take our free 30-day evaluation or contact us? For a live, interactive demonstration of Confluence, register for one of our free web-based seminars. Thanks for taking a little time to learn more about Confluence.